How much should you actually spend on a flash for your Canon T6I? Because you'll find options that are super cheap and some that are priced like luxury items. But let's be real, price doesn't always equal quality, and today, we're going to clear up that confusion. Product number 1, Photolex FK300. First up is the Photolex Camera Flash Speedlight FK300. Priced at $40.99, this little guy caught my attention with its powerful GN33 output and versatile features. If you want strong, stable lighting for your indoor shots, this is worth a serious look. What really impressed me about the FK300 is its 8-level power adjustment. You can easily dial down to 1/128 power for subtle fill light, or crank it up to full power for those bright event shots. Plus, with 3 flash modes, manual, S1, and S2, you can get creative with your lighting setup. The 5600K color temperature means your colors will come out true to life without weird color casts. That's a must for any photographer looking to capture natural-looking images. Now, some people did mention that the build quality feels a bit plasticky. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or need a backup flash, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It still performs well and is a great value for your money. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to improve your indoor photography. But skip this one if you need something built like a tank for heavy use. Honestly, for the price, it's a solid option. Now, if the build quality of the FK300 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Godox TT600. Next on the list is the Godox TT600, priced at $65. This flash is really popular and has a lot of features that caught my eye. If you're looking for something with excellent versatility and wireless capabilities, this is definitely a contender. The TT600 features a high guide number of GN60 and incorporates a built-in 2.4G wireless transmission, which means you can control it remotely, making it ideal for complex setups. It offers around 230 full power flashes and has a fast recycling time of just 0.1 to 2.6 seconds. Here's why this matters. You won't miss that perfect shot waiting for your flash to recharge, especially during events or portraits. However, some users noted that you can't use high-speed sync when it's mounted directly on the camera. Now, I get it. If you're a pro needing every feature, this might be annoying. But honestly, if you're using it off camera, it's an absolute beast, so it's worth considering how you plan to use it. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable flash that can grow with your skills. But skip it if you need something that works flawlessly on camera without any extra gear. For the price, it offers amazing performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a tight budget. Product number 3, Ulanzi SL01. Coming in at just $18.99 is the Ulanzi SL01 mini camera flash. This compact flash caught my attention for its affordability and lightweight design. If you're a casual shooter looking for something portable, this is worth a look. Despite the low price, the SL01 packs a punch with a GN8 output and a color temperature of 6500K, making it ideal for casual photography. It features 4 power levels for easy adjustments, so you can switch from bright lighting to more subtle options without hassle. Plus, the built-in lithium battery supports over 500 full power flashes per charge, which is impressive for a flash this small. That said, it's not compatible with TTL, which disappointed some users. Here's the thing, if you're using this for straightforward shots or vlogging, you probably won't miss TTL. But if you rely on automatic settings, this might not be the best fit for you. This is perfect for you if you want an ultralight flash for travel or casual use. Skip it if you're a serious photographer who needs specific features. For its price, it's a great little tool in your bag. Now, if you need something more professional grade, the next one could be exactly what you're looking for. Product number 4, Godox TT600 with diffuser. Next up is another Godox TT600, but this version includes a diffuser and is priced at $70. This caught my eye because of the added value with the diffuser for softer light. If you're a portrait or event photographer, this is something to consider. The diffuser included helps reduce harsh shadows and adds a creative touch to your lighting. The GN60 rating is consistent with its sibling, ensuring you get that bright illumination while maintaining a stable color temperature of 5600K. The high-speed sync capability of 1/8000S when used off-camera is a fantastic feature for capturing fast-moving subjects without blur. Now, some users mention that it's a bit heavier compared to other models. Here's my perspective. While it may not be the lightest flash out there, the added power and versatility make it worth carrying around. This is perfect for you if you want a flash that can handle various lighting conditions and improves your portrait photography. Skip it if you're looking for something lighter for quick snaps. For the additional features, it offers great value. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more precision on light control, the final product might just be what you need. Product number 5, Photolex FK310. Finally, we have the Photolex Camera Flash Speedlight FK310, priced at $41.39. I was drawn to this one because of its intuitive LCD display and multiple flash modes. If you're looking for detailed control over your lighting, this is worth your attention. The FK310 boasts an impressive 22-level power adjustment range, compared to the standard 8 levels. This means you can fine-tune your lighting to fit any scenario perfectly. Plus, its color consistency at 5500K is another plus, ensuring you get natural results every time. It also offers multiple modes like S1 and S2 for wireless setups, allowing for greater creativity. However, I did find some complaints regarding the learning curve for using the LCD controls. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the control you gain is fantastic, making it very rewarding in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want precise control over your lighting for various photography needs. But skip it if you prefer a more straightforward flash without the bells and whistles. Honestly, this flash gives you a lot of bang for your buck. So there you have it. The Photolex FK300 is great for a beginner. The Godox TT600 offers versatility. The Alonzi SL01 is perfect for casual use. The Godox TT600 with diffuser gives you options for softer light, and the FK310 offers detailed control. Each has its strengths depending on what you need, so choose wisely.